Hey, everyone! Are you bothered by those pesky dangling skin tags? If those little bumps make you feel self-conscious or they snag on your clothes, you're not alone. Skin tags are incredibly common and usually harmless, but I get why you might want them gone. Today, I'm going to share easy, at-home methods to combat skin tags safely and effectively.
Before we dive into removal methods, let's understand what we're dealing with. Skin tags, medically known as acrocordons, are those soft, fleshy little outgrowths that can crop up anywhere on your body. They typically appear on areas with folds or friction, like your neck, armpits, or groin. Imagine tiny, skin-colored balloons. That's a good visual for a skin tag. They're usually the same color as your skin or slightly darker, and dangle from a tiny stalk, a thin piece of tissue that connects them to the rest of your skin.
Honestly, most skin tags are totally harmless, but they can be annoying, getting caught on jewelry, clothing, or irritated during shaving. So, removing them is often a cosmetic choice. However, let me emphasize this. If you have any doubts or concerns about a skin growth, always consult a doctor or dermatologist.
It's crucial to correctly identify a skin tag before attempting any at-home removal methods. Here's why. Skin cancer and other growths can sometimes mimic skin tags. So, how can you tell the difference? Classic skin tags are usually small, less than a half-inch in diameter. They're soft and movable to the touch, and they typically match the color of your surrounding skin or are slightly darker. They also have that telltale stalk, a thin piece of tissue that connects them to the rest of your skin. If a growth on your skin doesn't fit this description, or if you have any concerns at all, it's best to err on the side of caution and see a professional. Early detection is key for many skin conditions, so a visit to your doctor or dermatologist can give you peace of mind and ensure you get the right treatment.
Okay, let's get into the first method, the tie-and-snip. It's the most dive version of what a doctor might do. Here's the lowdown. Cleaning time. Thoroughly clean the skin tag and surrounding area with alcohol or soap and water. Tie it up. Take some floss or thin thread and tie it tightly around the base of the skin tag. This cuts off circulation. Snip a finish. Get sharp, disinfected scissors or nail clippers and carefully snip the skin tag off just above the tie. Aftercare. Keep the area clean with peroxide or antibacterial ointment until healed.
If needles and snipping aren't your thing, you'll like this method. Castor oil and baking soda. Sounds basic, right? But these humble ingredients can work wonders. Get mixing. Combine castor oil and baking soda into a thick paste. It takes patience, but trust the process. Apply and repeat. Apply this paste to those pesky skin tags multiple times a day. Usually, within a week or two, the skin tag will dry out and fall off naturally.
Want a ready-made option? There are plenty. Some people swear by wart removal liquids. The science is fuzzy on why they work on skin tags, but hey, if it works, you can also find dedicated over-the-counter skin tag removal products. These usually have stronger ingredients, so follow the instructions closely.
Now, for some crucial reminders. Pain, stop. These methods shouldn't be super painful. If you're feeling intense pain, stop whatever you're doing and consult a doctor. Watch for infection. Keep an eye out for signs of infection. Redness, swelling, pus. If you're concerned, please get it checked. Doctor knows best. While these tricks can work for many people, sometimes medical treatment is necessary. Don't hesitate to reach out to a professional, especially if you have a lot of skin tags or underlying conditions.
See? Getting rid of skin tags doesn't need to be scary or expensive. You've got options. Let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try, or if you have secret skin tag removal tricks to share. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and informative videos. Thanks for watching.